Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Kia K5 GT. Moment I've been waiting for a very, very long time. Because we never got any up in New Hampshire. This one is at our Marshfield store. And let me tell you right now, this is a way different car. Not only is the powertrain completely different, it just drives so well. $36,000, sticker price, sapphire blue over black, 2.5 liter turbo, 290 horsepower, 311 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed dual clutch. It's pretty impressive to say the least. And take a look under that hood. I was a huge fan of the Optima SX, obviously the predecessor to this. So I've been dying to check this one out. Backup camera. Let's go for a drive. Interior wise, not a huge difference from the normal K5. You'll see GT on the seats and on the bottom of the steering wheel. Steering wheel slightly different, paddles of course. Other than that, not a huge difference. Of course, this is a 21, so this is before all the new badging. This is pretty sweet. Man, putting down that power is a struggle. I mean, this is Civic Type R levels of power, and that deals with wheel spin. I'm gonna try manual mode, mainly because that's the best way to control wheel spin. You'll hear the sound is completely different. The 1.6 sounds decent, but it's very, very raspy. Just doesn't sound, well, all that good. This one, it definitely improves upon that. That is insanity. What a machine, guys. What a machine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all. Where'd I put my thing? Oh. See you all in the next one.